Behind me is the Lac des Chênes important bird area on the Ottawa River. It's one of 600 important bird areas in Canada, which represent the most important sites for birds that we have. Canada is a very special country for birds. 80 to 90% of all of the birds in our country, which amounts to billions, migrate out of Canada every fall only to return the following spring. As many as 30 to 60% of those that leave perish, either during their migrations or on their wintering grounds. So those that do return are true survivors. Their return not only brings us great joy through their song, through their beauty, and through their amazing feats, but also deserves our utmost respect through the countless ecological services that they perform, such as consuming trillions of defoliating insects which otherwise would strip our forests bare. So in May, join me and my colleagues at Nature Canada in celebration of International Migratory Bird Day, and let's welcome back the birds to our Canada, their home and native land.